Hi and welcome to my garden on this beautiful spring day. The birds are singing, the sun is shining, and if you've got some tomato plants on your windowsill, they'll be probably doing this, growing quite strongly. These were potted up from plants I got probably about 5-6 weeks ago, and already you can start to see the plant is growing very strongly. This is a variety called Shirley, which is one of the F1 hybrids. It's one you grow as a single stem, what they call a cordon. However, really just a quick tip, you've got lots of new shoots starting to form on the leaf axils here. You get the camera in there, so these need to be removed very carefully. You can literally sort of pull them away. Now, taking these out means the plant will put lots of energy into the main growing stem, which is of course important. Now there is a shoot here which has grown a little bit too long. Now you can remove that. I think it's that sort of size, it's quite pliable. I would actually get a pair of secateurs with this one and just go in there and cut it as low down as you can, and then go in again to nip it back even further. And then if you can, there, that's fine, and then usually that's it, we take that out. Now that's quite a big piece of tomato plant as a side shoot. You can root that incredibly. You put it in a nice gritty compost, put 2 or 3 of those in a small pot of gritty compost with a polythene bag on. Within 3 weeks they'll root it, and you'll have another plant to continue, or plants to continue your cropping. It's a good way of increasing your tomatoes if you've got plants this sort of size now. That's all for now. Obviously keep an eye on our gardening website, www.buckinghamgardencentre.co.uk, for the latest information about our local deliveries, and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.